A pardon is a government-issued forgiveness of a crime committed here in the state of Nevada. A pardon does not erase a criminal conviction. Only a record seal does that. But it can help you to restore your civil rights and your right to possess a firearm. In short, a pardon forgives but does not forget. The benefits of having a pardon here in Nevada for a past criminal conviction include the following. It would remove all legal disabilities resulting from a criminal conviction. It would be the only way for you to get your gun rights restored. If you receive a pardon, your prior conviction could not be used to impeach you if you testify in a criminal case. If you're looking for a job, although it doesn't erase your conviction, you can attach a pardon to a job application, which would likely remove any hindrance to getting employment. If you're not a citizen and you're having immigration issues, it will likely prevent you from being deported or denied naturalization, and can restore your right to vote, your right to hold office, and your right to serve on a jury. Note, a pardon does not do any of the following. It does not overturn, seal, or expunge a judgment of conviction. There's a separate process for doing that called a record seal here in the state of Nevada. It does not relieve the duty of a sex offender to register, and it does not guarantee that an employer will hire you if you have a criminal record.